Hey, let's do the dance tutorial to Ready For It, This Is It, to the song This Is It by Oath Larceny. Choreographed by myself, Evan Van Scoik. This is a 48 count, 2-wall dance. Let's get into the first couple of steps. So, we're going to be facing this way so that you can see the steps. All right, we're going to start by hopping forward. 1, 2, and you're shaking and shimmying. 3, 4, hop back. 5, 6, shake, 7 and 8. So that first 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's a hop and hold, then shake. Hop, hold, and shake. Okay, from there we're going to do a point forward, point to the side. All right, so I'm doing point forward, point to the side, or a touch. Touch or a tap, tap forward, tap to the side, touch forward, touch to the side. Then we're going to do a sailor step. All right, touch, touch, sailor step. Then we're going to do it with the left foot. Tap, tap, sailor step. All right, so that sailor step is just behind, side, back to the previous side. All right, so those 16 counts together. Hop forward and shake. Hop back and shake. Tap, tap, sailor step. Tap, tap, sailor step. All right, what we're going to do next is a touch, kind of like your toe pointing inwards. Touch. And then we're going to turn and kick. So you're going to use that and kick to the side. So we're going to make a quarter to the right. So you touch with your right, kick with your right, coaster step. So that's a right coaster. All right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, then we're going to do it with the left again. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, all of that together. So we do hop and shake, hop and shake, tap, tap, sailor step, tap, tap, sailor step, touch, kick, coaster step, touch, kick, coaster step. Okay, so almost the first half of the dance already out of the way. Now we're going to do a rocking chair. So rock forward and back with the right. And then 2 hip rolls to turn to the left. All right, so looking at it this way, going to do a rocking chair with your right, and then your hip roll. Okay, so let's do that again from the top. So we do hop and shake, hop and shake, tap, tap, sailor step, tap, tap, sailor step, touch and kick, coaster step, touch, kick, coaster step, rocking chair, and hip roll turn. We're now facing left hand side. All right, or 9 o'clock. So if this was 12 and that was 3 o'clock, we're now turned to 9 o'clock. Okay, over here's kind of the second part of the dance. We're already past 24 counts, so we're already halfway done. But this part kind of goes together. So you'll hear it kind of shift in the music. And now this section, you're going to be doing this only facing 3 and 9 because it's a 2-wall dance. But I'm going to go ahead and turn this way so that you can see what that looks like. All right, so I just came off a rolling or hip roll turn. All right, I'm going to stomp out to the right, and then on 2, I'm going to shift my weight back onto the left. So stomp, 1, shift, 2. 3 and 4 is going to be a behind side cross. Behind side cross. Do the same thing with the left. You'll notice throughout this dance, you do the same thing with the right and the left. rock or stomp, stomp out to the left, recover onto the right, then we're going to behind side cross, behind side cross. All right, so let's go ahead and see what that looks like all together from the top. Hop forward and shake, hop back and shake, tap, tap, sailor step, tap, tap, sailor step, touch, turn and kick, coaster step, touch, turn and kick, coaster step, rocking chair with a hip roll turn. Stomp out to the right, hold, behind side cross. Stomp out and shift your way back, behind side cross. All right, here's the last counts of the dance. Another rocking chair with the right, rocking chair with the right. So you rock forward and back. This time, instead of hip roll turns though, to finish out the 48 counts, we're going to do a stamping turn. All right, so you stamp and paddle at the same time. So a paddle turn would have just been touches. So we're gonna do stomps with that paddle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That gets us facing the back wall, and that's where we begin the dance again. All right, so let's do just that last part together. I'm gonna go ahead and start from the stomp hold. Stomp, shift weight, behind side cross. Stomp, shift weight, behind side cross. Rocking chair, stomping turn. 6, 7, 8. Now we're in position to hop forward again. All right, the only thing I do different on the front and the back wall, you don't have to do this, but the music picks up a little bit. And I kind of like to do some heel swiveling with my shakes. So it's the same movement, so I'm still gonna hop forward and shake, but what I'm gonna actually add on for just a little bit more flair is I'm gonna hop forward, and I'm gonna swivel my heels in place. Hop back, swivel my heels in place. Just a little bit more fun, it fits to the music. You can do whatever you like, whatever types of shakes, shimmies, swivels, anything that you feel comfortable with. Have a little fun, freestyle that shake section after the hop. Because you are just standing in place, so have a little fun with it. Also, a little bit of flair that I like to add as well is on those sides, right? So you're gonna stomp to the side and hold. All right, I like to kind of do some hand motion with it. So stomp, and stomp, behind side cross. All right, and what's really nice is that last stomp, so you just did stomps on each side. The first stomp to the on the rocking chair, if you kind of stomp into that rocking chair, goes with the music really well. All right, let me go ahead and play the music and you'll see what it's like. Begin on the lyrics. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, tap, sailor step. Tap, tap, sailor step. Touch, kick, coaster. Touch, kick, coaster. Rocking chair. And hip roll. Stomp. Behind side cross. Stomp. Behind side cross. Rocking chair. Stomping turn. Hop. Hips. Hop. Tap and sailors. Tap, tap and sailors. Touch and kick. Touch, kick, coasters, rocking chair, hip rolls. Stomp. Stomp. Rocking chair. Stomping turn. Hop shake. Hop back and shake. Stomp. Get ready for it. Stomp. Get ready for it. Stomping that rock. Get ready for it. Stomping paddle. Here. Kind of do my swivels. Tap tap sailors. No tags or restarts. And that's how you do. Ready for it. Thank you.